Welcome to our channel. Today we how to upgrade your basement with Basement Systems, beginner guide step by step clearly. To upgrade your basement effectively, start by assessing your current space. Identify any potential issues such as moisture, mold, or cracks in the foundation. Clean the area thoroughly to create a safe environment for your project. Consider waterproofing your basement to prevent future water damage. Install a drainage system if necessary to manage water flow. Choose the right type of insulation to keep your basement comfortable. Use moisture-resistant materials for walls and flooring. Select appropriate lighting to enhance the basement's atmosphere. Plan your layout to maximize space and functionality. Think about your intended use for the basement, whether it's for storage, a living area, or a home office. Select finishes that match your style and suit the purpose of the space. Make sure to have proper ventilation to maintain air quality. Install necessary outlets, lighting fixtures, and any heating options. Focus on safety measures such as smoke detectors and egress windows if you plan for living space. Once the structure is complete, decorate your basement according to your personal taste. Add furniture and accessories to make the space inviting and comfortable. Take time to review your work and address any final adjustments needed. Enjoy your newly upgraded basement as a functional and stylish part of your home. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.